So I've always loved writing. Throughout my life, it's something that I've always kept coming back to. And so when I started working at Harvard, started taking classes just for fun. Pretty soon, I started working on a book, and I decided that the best way for me to finish the book would be to enroll in the master's degree program so that I would have structure. Being in person was awesome because you actually get to feel the energy of the other people in the room. I met a number of people who I actually got pretty close to at the residency, and some of them I've started meeting with regularly. Every 2 weeks we get together over Zoom. We're all distributed across the US, and we talk about writing, what we're writing, what we're thinking, just being there for each other, because writing can be a sort of pretty lonely thing to do every day. So it's been a wonderful support network. Agents and Editors Weekend was so thrilling, I would say, because not only did I get some experience pitching and working on a pitch during the residency, but I got to meet agents in person who I can now connect with them and say, hey, we met at the residency, and they're far more likely to actually accept a submission from me and respond to me because we've already met. That's a big deal. I would say you should absolutely do it. It's gonna be hard and challenging, but it's gonna make you grow as a writer, as a person, and you'll come out the other side with not just a degree, but contacts in the industry. It's sort of a win-win-win.